Let's talk about something that can truly make or break your website, which is your brand photos. Now let me show you what I mean. Let's take a look at this website template that uses stock photos. There's nothing horrible about it. It just feels a little generic, impersonal, and it just feels like it's lacking a little bit of that professional polish vibe, right? It just feels like it's missing something. Now let's look at that same website template, but all the way customized with my clients' brand photos. It feels upscale, intentional. It feels like her. The colors flow, the vibe is consistent, and the whole thing looks very expensive. And that's really the power of strong brand visuals. And here's the bonus. These photos are not just for your website. They become very versatile tools for your Instagram, your Google business listing, email marketing, all of it. So if you're gonna be doing a brand photo shoot and investing in that for your business, let's make sure we do it right. In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through 6 simple steps that you can take to plan your brand photo shoot that really works hard for your business and helps you love the way that you're showing up online. Let's get started. Before you book anything, let's carve out some time to gather some inspiration for your brand shoot. Pinterest will be your friend here. Now, really take the time to think about the way you wanna be showing up in your photos. What is your brand like? What is your salon like? How do you show up to your customers and your clients? Is it light and airy? Is it more bold and moody, or maybe luxurious and clean? Start pinning photos that fall into these categories. Photos of hair models, casual modern headshots, team photos, behind the scenes shots like in action photos, photos simply just of the salon space, and detail shots. Think things like your color foils or your extension supplies, or maybe a photo of you installing a row of extensions or coloring someone's hair, or maybe put some of your hair tools in the back pocket of your jeans and have a photo of that in there. Having a collection of photos that really set the scene for the kind of pictures you want to have will help you start to organize your thoughts and be able to communicate to your photographer what kind of photos you will be after during your photo shoot. That way you can stay really focused on the day of. Speaking of photographers, the next step is finding a photographer, which occasionally can be easier said than done. Finding a photographer who really gets your brand is just as important as finding a photographer who knows how to use a camera. When you're looking for a photographer, look for people who maybe have already had experience working in a salon or a spa setting. Really ask if they are willing to help you plan your shoot ahead of time and work with you on that. And something you definitely want to pay attention to, if nothing else, is whether their editing style fits your brand vibe and your vision. Dark, moody photos are beautiful, but when you have such a clean, light and airy aesthetic, it can make your website feel very off and out of touch with who you really are. So just be sure to really be paying attention to that editing style when you are reaching out to photographers, and also be asking the questions of if they'll help you plan it and if they've worked with salons and spas in the past. And really, a great photographer will want you to succeed in your photo shoot, maybe even more than you do. Once you have your photographer selected and you have a date on the calendar, now it's time to move on to step 3, which is selecting your models. Models can play such a huge role in bringing your salon experience to life in an online format, because people can really start to picture themselves in your salon space, in the shoes of that model who is getting their hair done in your salon through the photos. Really make sure that you're choosing models that fit the persona of your dream clientele. It's really important here, and it can be very easy to just find a friend or one of your lifelong favorite clients to come in and do this shoot with you. But really make sure that you're finding models that represent that dream client, because that's going to even better attract the people that you're wanting to attract in your marketing. In doing this, you'll also want to think about the services that you really want to be pushing in the next year to 2 years in your business. So if you're really wanting to attract more extension clients, make sure you're choosing models who are wanting extensions or having extensions already, so that you can apply that service during your photo shoot. Or if you're specializing in blondes, show your blondes. Just be sure you're capturing the transformations that you really want to attract more of. If your budget and your time allows, you can also select multiple models that will help to show the diversity in your clientele, such as different hair types, different ages, which can really help build trust with your audience. Step 4 is to plan your props and all the details that will be shown in your photo shoot. This is time to really bring in elements that make your salon feel personal and unique. Think about things like product displays or welcome signage, candles, signature drinks, and any other branded details that you love and would really bring your salon to life. Even the smallest touches can make your space feel cohesive, unique, and cozy. Next up is to create your shot list. And this is really gonna be the roadmap for your photo shoot. It's time to really go through your Pinterest board or inspiration and mark down all of the things that you want to really make sure and capture during your photo shoot day. I have a very easy to edit brand photo shoot planning guide that you can download for free from the link in the description box, where you can go through and create your shot list directly in there and pull in your photos from your Pinterest board. Having a shot list prepared ahead of time will take all of the guesswork out of the photo shoot day and just make sure that you are focusing in on what needs to be done and what needs to be captured during the day. As you're creating your shot list, it's important to make note and reminders to get both horizontal and vertically oriented photos, or landscape or portrait oriented photos. This is going to give you a lot more flexibility and versatility with those photos when we're working on different sizes and different shapes of devices, such as a computer versus your phone. You're going to want some that are more landscape style and some that are more portrait style with up and down. And last but definitely not least is your final prepping for the day. We want to really set the tone for a successful shoot by prepping your space and by prepping your people. Clean your salon from top to bottom, make sure you're decluttering, and also make sure to let all of the models and anyone involved in the shoot, your team members, your photographer, all know when to be there and what they should be wearing. Find a good playlist, get some snacks ready, and just get ready to have a really fun day, because photo shoot days don't have to be stressful. They can be very fun, and that is what I want for you. Let's keep the vibe fun and pressure-free so that the day can be really high, good energy, and make for such a really good, successful shoot. So to recap, the photos on your website are not just nice to haves. They are crucial in building trust and really painting the picture for your ideal clients to see themselves in your salon and get excited about confidently booking with you. Investing in the right photo shoot can really elevate your whole business, and it doesn't have to be overwhelming. If you want help bringing everything together, I have a full brand photo shoot planning guide inside of my free workbook, the 5 Steps to a Confident Website. It's a free resource designed to help salon owners like you to feel clear, in control, and absolutely proud of the way that you're showing up online. It'll walk you through the full photo shoot planning process, along with the 4 other steps that I do with every single custom client to set their website up for success, so that you can feel confident every step of the way. If this video was helpful to you, hit like, hit subscribe, or send it to a stylist friend who might find it helpful as well. I'll see you in the next one.